kindly request Dr. Rao to please be on the stage and just speak few words about the session.
This is a wonderful area, and I must first acknowledge and grateful to Omics Group who invited me. I was in abroad, USA for 18 years. I attended a number of international conferences, charity sessions. But this group is so friendly, and maybe I'm at a home crowd. Sometimes I mix my jokes in Telugu, so that home crowd I have been missing for 18 years. But it's a place where international scientists are meeting and discussing various topics. The team is right one on time. The team, pharmacognosy, we started with the botanicals, synthetic drugs, came back again, botanicals. And the team is a perfect team, and I enjoyed a lot. And thanks for giving a free time, and I'll be grateful to you all. Thank you.
Omics Group Conferences and the International Conference and Exhibition on Pharmacognosy, Phytochemistry and Natural Products, I would like to offer a heartfelt thanks to all the attendees. The purpose of this conference was to exchange ideas, experiences and opinions with you to identify and discuss critical issues, and I'm proud to tell you that we have done that. I think we all need a big round of applause for that. We will now announce the Poster Session Awards. For that, I would like to invite Dr. Srinu Babu Kedala and Dr. Rao S. for the felicitation ceremony. This is Amit Mirani from the Institute of Chemical Technology. Congratulations. The next name is Ashish A. Chinchancho. Gentlemen, I think a big round of applause. Now I invite Preeti V. Tayade from the Institute of Chemical Technology, Rajan from Pirmala Life Sciences Limited, the last name we have is Roshan R. Kulkarni from CSIR National Chemical Laboratory. Thank you very much, Dr. Rao and Dr. Kedala. I would indeed like to mention special thanks to our honorable guests, Dr. Chandrakant Kokade, Dr. Mohan Jain, Dr. Bhushan Patwardhan and Dr. Alexander N. Oriko for their extreme and valuable support in holding the backbone of this conference and for indulging with a great enthusiasm throughout the conference. I hope we have reached a high level of understanding and awareness for the very topical issues connected with the subject of pharmacognosy, phytochemistry and natural products. This in itself, in my view, constitutes a very important outcome of the conference. The city can now add itself with a pride for hosting the International Conference Exhibition on Pharmacognosy, Phytochemistry and Natural Products, and thereby concluding the great innovations that took place during this conference. I would like to appreciate and acknowledge the hard work of the session chairman and co-chairman and for their ACPA support in making the conference a big success. Without fail, I would like to acknowledge here the hard work of Ms. Divya K and her ultimate contribution of making this event a grand success, and also the Omics Group Conference team behind the scenes. I wish you all a pleasant day.
Quite fortunate to be invited to the Omics Group meeting. It's a very timely theme they have chosen, that is pharmacognosy, because man always look first towards the trees for a cure. We started there, extracts, and we've gone to the full circle, we came back. And I have seen a lot of women faces here. They started with the laughter and they are ending with the same. And they have taken care of all the branches of science and also all academic bodies, including student presentations. Roshan Kulkarni was awarded the Best Poster Award, and that's an encouragement for the students and the research scientists to come forward, and I'm so glad.
I'm really grateful that Omics Conference awarded me with the Best Poster Award. This work was actually the review of my degree work, and it's very nice a nice feeling that it was awarded at a very right conference, and I'm really happy that I got this award.
I'd like to say thanks to Omics Group for organizing such a wonderful event for a new researcher in order to explore themselves in a particular field of herbal remedies or herbal drug development.
We are basically the VBP research group, and in VBP research group it has also given us an opportunity for exploring the herbals, and when we are exploring it in our laboratory we get an opportunity through Omics to give it to the public, and so we are very glad to be the winners for the best posters. Thank you.
I would like to convey my special thanks to all my attendees, organizing committee members and government bodies for making this event successful. Thank you so much. Hope to see you again.